Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to share with you the makeup look I've been doing pretty much this whole summer. It is super easy and I'm going to show you. I'm not going to say anything else. So starting off with the skin, I have really been enjoying this. This is the COTS Healthier Sunscreen Face Prime and Protect Tinted SPF 40. This is a sheer matte mineral sunscreen. I don't know, I was looking on Ulta and I came across this and I was like, let me test this out, try it out. And I really enjoyed it. So this right here is what I use all over my face for a foundation. It says it's tinted, but it's not like a tinted moisturizer. It has the SPF, which is great. It has a primer inside of the sunscreen, and it also has a little bit of tint to it. So I took this much, but I'm gonna just show you real quick on the back of my hand what it looks like. So as you can see, it just rubs in and just mixes in really nicely to my skin tone. So do you see that? It blends in really nicely. And the texture looks like this, just so you guys can take a quick look. It's a little moussey. Sorry for the light going in and out, but I'm kind of like filming on a weird time. But I am going on in a little bit, so I figured I would share it with you guys. So this consistency is very similar to the Benefit Professional. So just know it's very similar to that. I'm going to apply it all over my face. And it's not going to cover, like give you full coverage, medium coverage, or any kind of coverage. It's just tinted to give you just a little bit. So it's going to blend in really nicely to my skin tone. And it's going to also give me the primer all in one and the protection all in one, which is great. And it's matte. So the reason why I also wanted to try this out is because I have combo skin. So I tried this out because I get oily when I apply regular sunscreen. More oily than not, you know what I mean? So even though I'm combo, I do seem to get more oily when I apply the sunscreen. And also the good thing about this one is that it doesn't leave a white cast, which is awesome. And I love how soft, like you can wear this by itself, which I have many times, because you know it has the primer, which I feel like really does something for my skin. I feel like it just softens my skin and it feels really nice and smooth as well, and it also protects it, so it's all good. I also apply it around the eyes. You just want to be very careful when you don't want to get it in your eye. I also like to make sure to protect your my eyes. Also maybe wear sunglasses and hats, because you guys, it is a pretty brutal summer. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that. And that is that. Now guys, for that coverage, I am going to be going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This right here is going to help give you coverage where you need it. So obviously underneath my eyes is where I go with it. And then even here where I have a little bit of a blemish. Well, actually this is the after effect of popping a pimple. So I have a little scar there, but that'll go away. So we're going to apply that there. We're going to apply some here, and I'm going to cover whatever I need covered, So around the nose, when you get your period, it gets a little red, a little hormonal. I'm going to add a little bit on the nose and the bridge of the nose. I don't really like to do a lot on the forehead. I'll just go in with whatever's left on the brush, which is what I'm using today. I'm using a brush. You can also use a sponge, but I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics brush. I really love this brush. I'm going to go in with the all over brush side. So going in and blending that out all over. You see that? And that's going to give me the coverage that I need. Alright, so the next thing that I do is I cream bronze, and I like to use this foundation stick from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. I like using the shade Warm Sun, which is 334. And I'm going to be using the Sigma Angled Kabuki F84, which is what I've been using a lot this summer. I've been using a lot of different brushes, which is very strange for me because I usually am very loyal to the brushes that I use. So I really like this though because you can just easily take the brush, it's already angled, so you're just going to like literally stamp it and just blend it where you want it. And I really like this color, you guys. It just gives me like a nice warm bronzy look to the skin. So I go in with a little bit more and then go on the other side. And then I'm just going to blend that into the temples just like that. If I need a little more, I'll go in with a little more. But pretty much just go around the perimeter of my face. Once I'm done applying that around the perimeter of my face, I like to grab this brush from BH Cosmetics and I like to go in with the same foundation stick. Go in and grab a little bit with the brush and just contour my nose. Just a little bit, nothing crazy, just a little bit. And then what I'll do is I'll go back in with that brush that I used to apply the, to blend out the concealer and just blend it out just like that. So it doesn't look harsh or anything. You see that? There you go. I like to go in more because I feel like there's a lot more here and just needs to get softened up. See? And it's looking very good, you guys. I've been really enjoying this look lately. So easy also. So that is what we have going on so far. The next thing is I like to go in and set my under eye and my lid. So I'm going to be going in with a brush. This is an e.l.f. blush brush, which is what I used to use a lot before. I'm just going to set my under eye, set the lid. I'm not going to go in heavy with this, just a little bit. And then on the eyes. And that's that. Now to set the cream foundation that I applied on the perimeter of the face to use as a bronzer, I'm going to go in with the MAC Give Me Sun. This is the mineralized skin finish. And I like to go in with this and grab a brush like this. It's a large powder brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush. It's the number 1. I'm going to grab a little bit of this powder here. And I'm just going to apply that around the skin just to warm it up a little bit more. And also I can bring it down to the neck. Just a little bit, bronze that up. You see that? You see my skin looking super warm? Well, warmer. Now that I'm applying this, it looks so nice. Like a nice bronzy, glowy in a minute. Because I am going to add a little bit of a glow. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Catrice Cosmetics Sungasm Luminizing Bronzer. I have really been liking this, you guys. It is this here. I've been adding this to my skin as well. So going in with the same brush, going to go in and apply a little bit around the face, and then gives me a nice little bronze glow. You see that? Add a little to the neck. And I'm good to go. Now for my eyes, I am going to go back in with the MAC Give Me Sun. I'm going to be using this Morphe M441. And I'm going to be grabbing a little bit of the bronzer and using that as my eyeshadow. Which is super easy, you guys, especially for an everyday look. You don't want to go around digging for products. This is what I've been doing. Just going in and applying that all around the eye, just like that. Also with that same brush, I like to go in and just blend a little bit of whatever's left on the brush right into the nose, just like that. just connecting everything just like that. To my everyday look, I've also been adding blush, so I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Love Flush Love Hangover. I don't know what this is actually called because it has so many names on the back, but it looks like this, like that. Really cute, small. Got this for, like, in a holiday kit a couple years back. But with this brush right here from BH Cosmetics, it's from the Marble collection. I'm just gonna add a little blush, and I'm gonna go on the cheek and then just pull it back just like that. Also, I like to add a little bit on the bridge just to give it that, like, you know, when the sun hits you right here in those areas right here on the cheeks and then on the bridge of the nose, just like that. I like that. Very simple. Now I'm gonna go in and fill in my brows. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm gonna fill in my brows real quick, and then we'll continue. Alright, so now to set my brows, you guys, I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Oh my god, I love this stuff. It really does a great job of holding your brows in place and just shaping them the way you want. So I'm just brushing them upwards. I'm kind of like into that like messy brow look when I set them. So I just do that. They're kind of like spiked up, so I brush them up because I know my brows are the ones that just like fall. So I'm just like obsessed with brushing them upwards with this. Alright, so now you guys, I do apply lashes sometimes. I go in with the natural wispy, like the regular Ardell wispies, or I just go in and apply some, I curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. So I'm going to do the easiest way today. I'm just not going in with lashes, but those would be the lashes I would use for my everyday makeup if I want to wear lashes. So I am going to be sharing with you the curling, the eyelash curler that I use and the mascara. So this one is from Tweezerman and the mascara is from Essence. It's the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. It is the green lettering and the green and black bottle. I have really bad lashes, so I have to make sure that I curl my lashes really, really well before going in with that. So I'm going to just curl them real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing the mascara from Essence, and I'm just going to coat my lashes just like this. Oh my god, look. It went from looking like I have no lashes to having long, beautiful, full, not super full, but nice lengthy lashes. And this mascara is so inexpensive. For highlight, I have been using this one from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. So I use this Milani All Over blending brush. It looks like that. It's kind of similar to the ABH brush. So I'm just going to go in with that and apply that right on the high points of the cheek. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. So when the sun hits the high points, you can see like a little highlight right there, like a little glow. Just add a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the Cupid's bow, just like that. I also like to grab just a little bit with a little brush like this, like an accent brush. This one is the ColourPop L1. And I just go in and apply a little bit right here on the inner corner. Nothing crazy, you see that? But it's a nice little pop, and it just opens up the eye a little bit. You see that? Perfect. Also, I like to go in with whatever's left on the brush that I use for the eyes and go in and blend my lower lash line. I mean, you could definitely go in with more if you want to, but usually I just, whatever's left. Now for lips. I'm going to be going in with just these two products, and that is it. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade London. I also like to overline my lips, so then I go in with the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. And now to complete the look, I go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. What do we think? I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can take a closer look. Look at my skin, you guys. It looks so healthy, nice, warm, bronzed, glowy. Absolutely love the way it looks, and it feels like I have no makeup on, you guys. So definitely try these products, and I highly recommend the COTS Healthier Sunscreen Face Prime and Protect. I have the tinted one. I know that they have one that's not tinted. I haven't tried that one, but this is the first time I tried this, and yes, it's a little pricey. It's $26, but when I got it, it was $26, and then you get the second one 40% off. I didn't get the second one because I have never tried it, but now knowing that I do like it, I will be purchasing next time 2 at once if there is a sale. But I feel like I'm not going to go through this. I mean, I think this will last me out throughout the whole summer. So I think I should be okay, but I do like it, and you guys should definitely try it out yourselves. But look at this, you guys. My skin looks so good. It doesn't give you the coverage or anything, but like I said, you go in with concealer and look, there's your coverage. I think it looks perfect. Super healthy, super bronzy, super glowy, and that is it. So let me zoom you out. And yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!